Good evening. Today is Friday, November 17, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 17, 2023, Friday. Here are the STEL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for Friday, November 17, 2023. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Friday, November 17, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.